The Ninja Smart Screen Kitchen System with FreshVac technology features Auto-iQ programs specific to each vessel. These Auto-iQ programs include unique patterns of pulsing, pausing, and speeds, all designed by chefs to create delicious recipes without the guesswork. Use the FreshVac Pitcher programs to turn your favorite frozen ingredients into restaurant-style frozen drinks, ice cream, and more. The Precision Processor programs make meal prep a breeze by chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing for fresh salads, sides, and sauces. Use single-serve FreshVac Cup programs to create homemade extractions, dressings, and smoothies in seconds. With Ninja's One-Touch Auto-iQ programs, the possibilities in the kitchen are endless.